If you've lost access to your Cedarstone bank account and cannot use your email, follow these steps to recover your account quickly. Step 1. Gather your information. Before starting the recovery process, collect all necessary information related to your account. This includes your account number, social security number, and any recent transaction details. Step 2. Visit the Cedarstone bank website. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Cedarstone to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you do not have access to your email, select an alternative recovery method. This may include answering security questions, using a registered phone number for verification, or contacting customer support. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Follow the prompts provided for the recovery method you selected. If you are using security questions, answer them accurately. If you are using a phone number, you will receive a verification code to proceed. Step 5. Set a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to set a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure to save it securely for future access. After completing these steps, you should regain access to your Cedarstone bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.